Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is working for money and not for passion will give you no money. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever we join a job, there is some responsibility associated with that job. And while accomplishing that responsibility, we must feel enthusiastic. If we are not excited and enthusiastic about our job, we cannot deliver our best. And if we are not delivering our best, we will not get good results in return. This is the fact of life. Money is a need. Whosoever is working in this world, he needs money at the end of the month. Why he needs money? Because he has to look after his family. In order to look after your family properly, first of all, you need to do some job somewhere. And at the end of month, you will definitely receive some salary related to the kind of job that you are doing. And then by making use of that salary, you can take care of your family. That's a straightforward and simple concept of life. But if you solely focus on money and you do not focus on the kind of job that you are doing, you will never be able to earn desired money. So in order to earn desired money, first of all, you must show a good level of dedication towards the task that you are doing. Showing dedication towards the task. As I have already mentioned, earning money is important. But first of all, you should try to find out that what you can do best. And then you should try to move in that direction only. It is not like I will do anything that will give me money. I just need money, I will do anything. I will do anything kind of attitude is not good in any way. It means that you are not sure about yourself. You don't know that what you have to exactly do in your life. You are absolutely unaware of what is happening in the real life job market. And you just want anything. Ladies and gentlemen, as I have already said, this is the fact of life that you work somewhere and you get money in return. But you must be aware of kind of work that you are doing. You must be passionate about a particular kind of task. Only then it is possible for you to earn a good amount of money. Along with that, you will gain respect also. Money plus respect. Both these things are equally important while you are working in a particular organization. If you are only getting money and you think that you are not getting respect, very soon you will stop getting that money also. I would like to repeat this statement, ladies and gentlemen. If in a particular organization you are feeling that you are gaining respect, but you are not gaining, you are gaining money, but you are not gaining respect, believe me, very soon you will lose that job also. But if you are gaining respect, it means people are loving your performance, your seniors and superiors are loving your performance, and depending on that, they are putting necessary increment in your salary. So your reputation is increasing, your salary is getting incremented timely. Why? Because people are loving your job. And why people are loving your job? Because you are showing 100% dedication towards it. So you join our organization, you start understanding the intricacies of the task that has been assigned to you, and then you start working with full dedication, trying to know yourself that yes, what more is there in this particular kind of job that I am doing? What are the other fields where I can see more opportunities? If you work with this mindset, if you work with this dedication, only then you will work consistently for the organization in a proper way. And looking at your credentials, looking at your good performance, looking at your dedication towards the organization and the task, a company will automatically start putting increment in your salary. Company will automatically start assigning you new tasks, new projects. And related to those projects, whatever necessary benefits are there, those benefits will be given to you. But if you only focus on money, that I just have to earn money, doesn't matter whatever I do, it means you are absolutely unsure about your own life. If you say like this, that I want only money and doesn't matter what is the task, just give me a job, I just need money and that's all. Ladies and gentlemen, money you will definitely get at the end of month. But how long will that money remain with you? That is more important. If you are not passionate about your job, that money will be short-lived. But if you are passionate about a particular kind of task that you are doing, that money will keep increasing consistently. So first of all, make up your mind that what exactly you want to do in your life and be highly passionate about it. Devote your entire life towards that particular profession. And this is a very common scenario in our society. In your neighborhood, among your own family members and relatives, you would also have seen such people who are showing 100% dedication towards a particular profession. There are doctors in our own family, there are engineers in our own family, teachers, lawyers, school owners. There are so many different types of people within our own family, within our own relatives. We can take motivation from them. We can follow them that yes, whatever job they are doing, how dedicatedly they are doing that job, what type of passion they are showing towards that job, and because of that passion, they have gained the position what they are having right now. So it is all because of dedication towards a particular kind of task. It is not only the desire for earning more and more money. Money will automatically come. If you are showing 100% dedication towards your responsibilities, money will automatically come. That's why try to find out what you can do best and then spend your entire life doing it. Try to find out what you can do best and then spend your entire life doing it. Money will only come if you are passionate towards your task. If you are not passionate towards your task, no money will be there. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.